Welcome to day 4. We're going to Shell Island today. So, we'll be on a boat. I'm ready to go. All these people are slow though.
My coffee done?
It's you girls.
Oh wait, you're videoing it.
Brandon and Bree. We're ready to go. Are you gonna say anything? Okay, do you want to piece it out?
Peace out.
No.
I can't reach.
That ain't even what I need.
We're on our way to the boat. Mom's not gonna let me drive the boat.
It's fun to float.
Coastline on the back side of that. It's a short little coastline. It ends at
Okay.
a very pronounced point. When you see that point, draw an imaginary line over that paper mill that's churning out smoke. Now it looks like a cloud because they're churning out so much of it. And you'll see it later. It'll be less of a as this stuff clears up.
Okay, we've been on the boat. I don't know what we say sunglasses, but Rainey's wearing my sunglasses.
We're kind of lost. Not really.
But
we're getting it pretty well. Well, we're not. We're chilling.
yeah, we're just chilling. They're over there stressing.
Captain Cricket over here.
Captain Cricket, yeah. Cricket, yeah.
That's where the
But
easy
all
spot
of
to go
us girls
across
are over here now, and then I'll show you everybody else.
Okay. But then
Cricket, Dillon, Joe,
we're right.
and
That's down, on down here. On
Oh, and
down
Alan's right there.
is,
She looks like the hood kid.
got her. We'll get her stitched.
But this is how pretty. But okay, guys, we just made it to Shell Island.
We're not on Shell Island yet.
Well, we're on somewhere. I don't know, but I'm gonna show you guys something. Okay. So
Hey, we'll get the back of my phone.
that's a hermit crab or something like that, and we picked it up and we got some pictures. So she'll probably insert that. What have we seen today?
He's gone back that way. We're not going that way.
Well, I wanted to see him.
Well, what did we see today, Cricket? Huh? What did we see today?
Snake.
This is the saddest thing ever, but it's a sea turtle and it's dead and I'm gonna
It's
cry.
rotted out and everything.
So I just saved turtles. There's a dead turtle. Okay, anyways, but I picked that up from over there and Eric found an egg and we found a sea star. I forgot what they're called, but we're gonna go see what that is. Eric found an egg and I really want it to be a turtle egg, but there it is.
Just a glass bottle. It's dead.
I kind of want it.
Yes.
Nope, it's moving.
Yeah.
It's moving.
It's alive.
It's
over then.
definitely alive.
Oh, we thought it was dead because it wasn't moving.
He's alive.
This is Eric saving the ocean. One piece of plastic at a time. Got his hands full with a bunch of plastic that he pulled out of the ocean. Buddy! Buddy! There he goes.
It's stuck in the sand.
We found a wrecked ship. It's actually just a boat, but we're gonna go and check it out. And Dylan's gonna go inside it, so he is using JC's video camera to vlog.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure how good the footage is gonna be because it looks like he's trying to figure it out right now.
Dylan, do you know how to use it?
Working on it. Okay, so there's the boat. The boys are going back there. I don't think you're actually supposed to go back there, so we're not going. But Dylan's got the video camera back there, so we'll see what he gets. And I can't zoom in anymore, so he's going up to it. Hopefully he doesn't get smushed.
Yeah.
Peace out.
There might be a pirate.
Okay, update. Dylan's coming back. I don't know why. Oh no, he saw something and like ran away. Now he's coming back. Why didn't you go up to it?
The people over on the other beach.
So, we made it to the beach side of the island. So now the waves are coming in a little stronger. And there's literally shells everywhere you look. That's why it's called Shell Island. Shell Island. Ooh.
I want to get this sand out of my shoes.
Mom.
Captain.
Captain Cricket.
Captain.
Captain Cricket.
Captain Cricket.
Captain Cricket Crunch.
Huh?
Another piece of bacon.
She said, look at me, sir. Right here.
You've been doing it for a minute.
Gonna be up for a second. But we're going, we just ate, we're going on a boat ride. We left the beach for a little bit. We're on a boat right now, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, I don't know what you can see because I currently can't see, but the boys are about to jump off, Eric and Dylan. I'll show you guys.
Or take your sunglasses off, you're gonna lose them. Feel good out there, buddy?
This sucks.
It's cold? No, it tastes awful.
Okay, Dylan's jumping off with the GoPro, so pray for my GoPro because it's probably about to get lost. Go. Wait, don't go yet. Okay, Dylan's jumping off with the GoPro, so pray for my GoPro because it's probably about to get lost.
Hi guys. We're on our third beach on Alice. What? Shell Island. Shell Island. What was I thinking? Anyways, and we found a dead like fish stomach. Well, Dylan did, and it was pretty like disgusting. But bye bye.
Ryland's being nice and getting shells for everyone in her class.
Right, you see that rock beside you? Climb on that and
I got you. I can't do it. Okay.
We're on the rocks. See, she's taking our picture. But we're on the rocks and we're climbing around here.
This is what's on the other side. There's Rye. Rainy and Joe.
And now Jason.
This is us editing the video. This is us filming an outro because we never do. So today we went to Shell Island.
Your hair is a whole mess.
Today we went to Shell Island and we got back at like
And my face hurts.
6. Yeah, everyone got a little burnt today.
A little.
And now we ordered pizza and we're waiting on it and editing this video to get it up. And this is our outro because we never filmed one. So, anything you're gonna say?
My face hurts.
Anything you're gonna say?
Bye, Sapphire Squad.
Do it. Go put it right there.